Israel's World Cup qualifier against Italy in Udine was played under heavy security and protests just days after a Gaza ceasefire took effect. A pro-Palestinian march in the city center was expected to attract more people than the match itself.
Di guerra e di sterminio parlino da solo. Per fortuna adesso ci stiamo muovendo a tutti i livelli e io spero che si continui, perché il fatto che abbiano firmato una pace o una finta pace non credo che ci prenderanno più tanto in giro su queste cose.
Era stato tolto la Russia quando c'è stato, allo stesso modo doveva essere fatto da parte degli organismi internazionali sportivi per Israele. Questo non è stato fatto, ma a maggior ragione noi condanniamo il fatto che si continui a permettere a Israele, come se nulla fosse, di gareggiare.
Norway has witnessed intense nationwide protests during its World Cup qualifier match against Israel. Thousands of demonstrators took to the streets, demanding Israel's exclusion from the FIFA World Cup, accusing the nation of committing genocide in Palestine. Clashes erupted as protesters confronted police barricades, resulting in violent confrontations in several Norwegian cities. While unrest unfolded outside, Norway delivered a stunning 5-0 victory over Israel on the football field, a symbolic win that fueled emotions even further. The event has drawn global media attention, merging sports, politics, and human rights activism in one of the most heated qualifiers in years.
ये थी आज की रिपोर्ट। अगर आपने ये वीडियो पसंद की हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि हर रोज आपको मुस्तनद खबरें मिल सकें। शुक्रिया।
You are watching ShigiNews.tv.